Jack. Jack. Jack.
Todd Lieber.
Jack.
Maybe a client of Charlie's, but look at this, he's in Weston, that's only a couple towns away.
Sherry was from Weston?
I don't know, but look, this is dated 10 days ago, this must be something in his files.
Jack.
The case he was working on when he died.
They made Sherry pull her gold digger.
Sam, I posted to Facebook.
Hi, Taylor.
Are you vlogging right now?
Yes.
Let's go, school. Okay. Here.
Well, if I just always recorded everything.
I don't know. People do that for a living.
Yeah.
Let me see it.
I'm videoing.
Oh, okay.
I take pictures
Why are you
too.
videoing?
For a vlog. Hmm?
Where's the...
She's in the bathroom.
Oh, maybe they're just getting stuff started.
Yeah.
Oh, that one's just out of order.
The arcade. This is the arcade. Now what?
I don't know.
Let's buy an air horn. Ooh, let's make wedding cupcakes. Oh, let's get a disco ball. Yeah, right here. Air horn.
Will this still make the sound if I stuff it in?
I think you take this part off. Or, yeah, it might make the woo sound. That was definitely not an air horn. Oh my god. A balloon in a bag. Good for tuna.
No, control it.
Tuna. Tuna.
Chicken salad.
Liver. You. No, the best thing is this. That's the actual corn that you see there. No, it's actually good though. I ate it. Taylor called it
Just smother that in
apocalyptic
butter and
corn.
put it in the microwave. It'll make popcorn on top.
No, it won't.
Yes, it will.
No,
I watched
Cody.
it done. The video.
Say hi.
Stop it.
Ooh, backlit. Oh, get in this little bus. How about the helicopter? The hedgy chacher. Mission scare Taylor in the bathroom. Check. Damn it! You're done! I was gonna come in and go in the stall and go. Damn it!
I think about him at my house and I went to mom's and I told you to go.
That was a hot kick. Where did he go? To try the air horn, didn't he? Have a cigarette. Yeah, come on. Just here, and then back in there to Cafe Botanica. Do the air horn. Yeah, just suck it in like that.
So unsanitary.
Okay, talk. No, do it.
Hey guys.
I told you. You sound like a drag queen. You sound like a freaking lesbian too. I don't know. You sound like both gender swabs.
Whoa.
Okay, wait, I'm gonna try it.
No, hold on. There's
You okay?
yeah,
Does it feel weird?
whippets. That's what these are. Same shit as same stuff that's in the fucking. I don't.
Hello.
No, you have to do it for a little while.
No, I'm scared.
Nothing will happen.
What do you mean? It's
It's like helium. It makes you
like
feel
laughing
weird.
no,
Guys.
no, not like helium.
It just makes you have a demon voice.
I know it's like helium,
That's
but it's
pretty
like I
fucking
don't even
cool.
do that. Okay. If I
No
die.
one just does helium,
If I
Taylor.
die.
You think there's people? Oh fuck! I need some more helium. God damn.
What do you want from me? Okay. Hello.
No, you have to do
can't
it
do-
like Cody did.
That's disgusting.
Okay, that's good. That's good.
Hey guys, how's it going?
It's so much. Save it for when we get home.
Yeah, to show Tyler.
Whoa!
What if I did it?
Got a pretty wicked buzz after.
Like
See, I
what?
can't do highness.
You just
I'm already
feel a bit
so up.
spacey and is he? Ooh. Huh. It's like sucking the can out of a whip.
Oh my gosh.
Sucking
you're
the air.
Hello?
So funny.
Is
No,
it
you
did
gotta-
it to me?
Yeah, it did
Oh
it a
my
little bit, you
god.
see?
Oh my god. That is horrible. It tastes really bad though.
Yeah, right? But it also tastes really sweet.
It sounds.
Super bad.
Okay, let's go get a coffee. Ooh,
Okay.
my voice sounds funny now.
You feel a bit strange.
No. Can I get a large chai tea latte? Yes. No. Cinnamon on it. Did you pay for it already? I gave it to him. When you need to open. Yes. We should get some copies. I did do some other stuff and I